朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today, let's make Chinese roast pork, also called sao rou. This pork recipe is very crispy and delicious. I will show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box.
Let's start by scraping the pork skin with a knife. This helps clean off the skin. Now rinse off the pork with warm water. Then toss the garlic to mix it. Now let's make a sauce. Add sugar, cooking wine, 5 spice, black pepper, minced garlic, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and salt. Mix everything together. Now remove the fresh meat to cook evenly. Then cut the pork right before the skin. Don't cut all the way through. This helps marinate the meat faster. Now pack down the meat with a paper towel. Make sure to get the skin too. Place the skin side down on a tray and add the sauce. Massage the sauce into the meat. And add the rest of the sauce. Now cover it and set it aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now layer 3 foil on top of each other. Place the pork on top with the skin facing up. Now we are folding the edges to the middle. Make sure it's tight. I'm just pushing the corner in to make it stay up. Place it in a baking tray. Let's bake it at 270 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, take it out and poke the skin with a fork. Now pat it dry. Now brush the top with vinegar and let it dry for a few minutes. Set the pork on a clean tray and pat the skin dry. Rub some salt on the skin to help draw out moisture. Make sure to rub the salt in completely and let it rest for a few minutes. Pat down the pork skin again and brush another layer of vinegar. Make sure to let it rest for 10 minutes this time. Now massage the rest of the vinegar on the skin and let it rest for another 10 minutes. When it's done resting, put the pork back in the oven and bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. When it's done cooking, turn on the boiler for 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye on the pork so it doesn't burn. Now take the pork out and let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting. Now it's time to cut the pork. And it's done.
Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. Look, my mouth is watering. I hope yours is too. Did you hear the crunch? It's very crispy. The meat is very juicy. It's savory and very fragrant from the fresh spice. It's very delicious. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。